welcome back to the CATIA Construction channel. In this video I'm going to show you two quick highlights that have come in the latest release of xGenerativeDesign on the 3D Experience platform. In 20X you can now assign certain operators to the monitor window. These operators serve to highlight important KPIs that are computed within your models. Remember that with xGen's truly unified user interface, the immersive or graphical scripting interfaces are dynamic, interchangeable, and interactive in real time. In this way, by coupling the controller's experiment window with the monitor window, anyone can build a delightful user interface to explore design variation and evaluate important KPIs associated with each design variant. Here you see changing the control parameters in the experiment window update the reporting parameters in the monitor window. Because the computation is processed on the remote compute server hosted on the 3D Experience platform, you don't have to wait for the entire model to finish updating before modifying additional parameters. In addition, the graph and charting nodes that have been placed in the monitor window can be interrogated individually to provide additional insights into the model. The second highlight I would like to show in this video is the new triangulate beta operator that is used to create the triangulated pattern on a surface. In order to show the new beta operators, go to your graph settings and be sure that the display beta operators option is checked. The triangulate operator is one of the many beta operators that have been released in 20X with limited support or documentation, but are available for testing so you can give feedback on their implementation. With that, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy using xGenerativeDesign as much as we do. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel and to receive notifications of future uploads.